morning students, myself Priyanka Joshi from Art and Progressive School, Halwani. Students, let's start with your new chapter 2. As we discussed in our previous chapter, that is the nutrition in plants, that plants can make their own food by the process known as photosynthesis, and that's why the plants are come under the category of autotrophs. But animals cannot make their own food. They depend on others for their nutrition, and they are known as heterotrophs. So, in our new chapter, that is the nutrition in animals, we discuss how the animals take their nutrition from others, the different ways of their taking nutrition. So, animals get their food from plants either directly by eating the plants or indirectly by eating plant-eating animals. So, all organisms, including humans, require food for their growth and development, for the functioning of the body. So, various aspects of obtaining food and mode of intake of food and its utilization by the body for growth and development is known as nutrition. The components of food, such as carbohydrates, are complex substances. These complex substances cannot be utilized as such, so they are converted into the simpler ones. So, the process by which the complex substances are changes into the simpler substances is known as digestion. So, the breakdown of complex substances into simpler ones is known as digestion. So, digestion is a process in which the complex components of food are broken down into simpler substances. So, students, now discuss the different ways of taking food by the different organisms. Students, the mode of taking food into the body varies in different organisms. For example, the honeybees and hummingbird suck on a nectar of a flower, and infants of human beings and many other animals feeds on mother milk. So, there are various modes of taking nutrition such as sucking, swallowing, scraping, chewing, capturing. So, we discuss these mechanisms with the help of a video. So, students, in your next video, in the next coming video, we discuss the various modes of nutrition, various methods of taking nutrition. So, please watch it carefully.
Animals obtain their food either from plants or by eating other animals. Different animals have different food. Those which eat only plants are herbivorous animals. Those who eat other animals are carnivorous. And those who eat both plants as well as other animals are omnivorous. They also have different ways of eating their food. In this video, we will talk about different ways with which animals eat their food. Chewing. Animals such as cow, buffalo, deer, giraffe, goat, sheep, etc. chew the cud. That means first they bite the plants and swallow them. Later, they bring the swollen food back into mouth for chewing it again. For chewing and grinding the food, they have wide, flat teeth. Elephants use their trunk to put the food in mouth for chewing. Animals like lion, tiger, tear the flesh with their sharp-pointed teeth and chew it with their grinding teeth. Swallowing. Some animals such as snakes, lizards, birds swallow their food. Some animals have teeth, however, they are only useful for grabbing the food but not for chewing it. Snakes can swallow the food which is even bigger than their mouth. They do so because they have ability to open their mouth wide so as to grab food with separated jaws. Animals such as lizards use their long tongue to catch and swallow small insects. Sucking. Some animals such as butterflies, mosquitoes, houseflies have long tube called proboscis. It is like a straw to them. Using it, butterflies suck sweet juice called nectar from the flower. Similarly, mosquitoes suck the blood. Nibbling. Animals such as rabbit, mouse use their sharp front teeth for taking small bites of the food. This is called nibbling. Lapping. Have you seen cat or dog drinking milk? Well, more appropriately, it is called lapping. They use their tongue to do so. Filtering. Some aquatic animals such as fish, clams, krill, sponges. Similarly, some birds like flamingos have ability to filter out their food which is present in water or other mixture. Scraping. Animals such as snail obtain food by pulling hard on a surface to obtain food attached on it. It is called scraping.
So students, I hope through this video you understand how the various organisms takes their food and their different modes of taking nutrition. So this is all for today. Thank you.